Hey guys, this is my review for my Hoover Infinity Vision Tech vented 7 kilograms tumble dryer, courtesy of AO.com on review. I've just unwrapped it and fitted it in. It's nicely fits. It's a large capacity. Inside, very big drum, suitable for a large family. So I'm now going to test it for you, and I'm going to put some of my washing. Just a small amount for now, just to test it from you guys. So I'm going to put that in, and I'm going to put it on a small, quick dry cycle for delicates. 15-minute cycle, and I will get back to you after 15 minutes. So here is the tumble dryer. It's almost finished. It's quite good for sound, very light and easy to move. Fits in perfectly to where it needs to be. So the cycle is nearly finished. So we will just wait another half a minute. Okay guys, so now the cycle has finished. We've got the easy touch buttons here with the sensor to tell us that it's finished. So I'm going to check the washing. So the washing is lovely and dry, very fresh, smells nice. Inside the tumble dryer, everything's very dry, no condensation, as expected from a tumble dryer, ready for the next load. So guys, this is the Hoover Infinity Vision Tech 7 kilogram vented tumble dryer from AO.com, and I would certainly recommend this as a suitable appliance for a large family to dry their washing and everything that they need. So